Hey guys, welcome back to the channels. And today's topic is I want to discuss a understanding about the keep filters function in DAX. Okay, let's try to understand what exactly the keep filters, and I try to explain in such a way that you can understand that what the use of the keep filters. Let me keep it simple. Okay, so I have a very basic data model here. If you see this model, so I have three tables of data: the customer, my product, and my sales. Okay, so just a one-to-one relationship. I don't have any date because it's not required in this case. Now I'm putting region from my customer table, and total sales is nothing but this is just a sum of sales. Okay. Now here my requirement is something is that I want the total sales for the waste region. Very simple, right? So I can say create a new measure here. Total sales. Okay, total sales for waste region. So calculate total sales, then put a filter. So very simple, nothing complicated here. Okay, so here waste. Right, and now if you drag this to your visualization, it will show you across each and every row. It will show you the waste region. Okay, how it is calculating? Just like whenever you are in this filter context, the filter context is for the region equals to central, but in my calculate the region equals to west, so it will give the first priority. Hmm? Now what my scenario is that instead of doing all this thing repetition of the value across all the regions, I just want to repeat the value where the filter is getting satisfied. For other regions uh, I should show the blank. So that time your keep filters will come into picture. So if you wrap this inside your keep filters, right? Then what happen is if you enter it here, you will get the data for this particular waste region. Others will be blank. This is pretty simple. Okay, this is the way it should be. But here, what exactly happening behind the picture? Let me try to explain it in a scenario. Okay, so what exactly happening? Let's go to the customer table first, or sorry, let's go to the sales table. Hmm? This is my sales table, right? And try to bring the region as a column to the customer table. So customer is in customer table, I have the region. So I have the liberty to do that. So let me create a new column. I'll justify why I'm creating. This is just the explanation, okay? So a region, okay, equals to since I have a relate, I can use the related function here. Related function, then I can bring the region column from my customer. Okay. Now I bought each and every region. Now just try to open up your total sales for this one. Okay. What exactly is happening? So it is saying that keep region customer region equals to west. Okay. So let's put a region equals to west. Try to put that. Okay. Put equals to west. Alright. We done it. Now when it go to the visualization on the first row, the filter context, what is the region we have? For the central. This is east. This is south. Right. So it is taking another filter, external filter also, because we are saying that key filters, right? So I need to put two filters here because the one is coming from my calculate and one is coming from my filter context, which is called central. So if I say region equals to, I can put it directly here. So I can say text filter, I say equals to. Here I can say one filter is coming from my west and equals another equals to central. Okay, there is no record because one cannot be and, right? It can be like either east either west, right? It can be east and west both. It's not possible. So due to that only, when you wrap it up the your formula inside your keep filters, right, it is taking two filters. First filter is whenever it is coming to this filter context, it is taking the first priority from the calculate west, and it is considering the filter for the central also. It is like west and central. west and east, west and south. So that's why for everything it is getting blank, and whenever it is satisfying the value, that time, because this time west and this is west, right? So it is west and west. So no problem on this one. So this is getting the data. For other rows, it is getting blank. So this is the understanding about the keep filters. So keep it simple. It will consider the calculate whatever the filters we are applying on the calculate along with the filter context which is getting applied on the report. That is the explanation of the key filter. Hope you find this helpful and you can use your key filters in a proper manner from now onwards. If you like this video, please do subscribe to this channel for more interesting contents. Thank you.